Save another animal today, yeah.
Oh man, they biting shit. He's stuck.
Now, I tell y'all over and over again, clean up after y'all sit. See, leaving line and stuff, this results in animals being stuck. And now he's over here saving another animal. All because people want to leave their line around. He got the net so he can get this bird. Because this bird want to attack him.
I gotta help him out. His foot is caught.
Trying to bite you.
Travis.
Yeah, he got me. Shit, man. Yes, he bit me good. He did. He bit me good as shit, too. Hear me?
Get the hook out.
And that's what's got him, see? You shit on me. Come on, let's see if he can go. Go, let's see if he can go.
Bye-bye.
I don't know. I tried my best.
Yeah.
I tried my best.
Dad.